This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable geolocation in the Vivaldi web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Vivaldi web browser opened up now. To turn on or off your geolocation settings, first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the lower left-hand corner, down to the little gear wheel. I'm going to click on the gear wheel. Now in the little dialog box that opens up here, the pane off to the left-hand side, you want to click on Privacy and Security. Then on the center pane, you want to scroll down a ways, down to where you see the Website Permissions section, and in the Website Permissions section, the second thing down here, Geolocation. Mine is currently set to Ask. I'm going to click on the little drop down. I can change it to Block, or I could leave it on Ask. That is how to turn on or off your geolocation in the Vivaldi web browser. Thanks for watching.